I have been having a challenge with my multicam setup. What I've been doing is using this cam as my primary cam, which is Sony ZV-10. It's a great lens. If you're looking for starting out, please buy it. And this is my second lens, which is for all random unboxings. I'm not a great videographer. I'm very scared to carry this camera all around, and it's like fixed on a tripod most of the time. So what I wanted to have is another camera using which I can be a little flexible. And phone wasn't just working for me. It was very difficult for me to, get a rig and then put all of those things around, put the mic, charging problems, and then you needed somebody else to shoot you, fixing the frame, all of that. So I just couldn't do it. So what I decided to do in this sale is get this. And this is basically a great tech addition to my already big stuff, and it's the DJI Pocket 3. Now, what DJI Pocket 3 is a camera of this size, which is, very, very small. Comes in this box. Flipkart has done a great stuff at open box, delivery kind of thing. So what they do is they open it in front of you, so it's kind of safe and all that. So I'm going to just put that aside. And I will start to do a little bit of unboxing experience. Now, this has been formally already opened, but I'll still do the majority of stuff here. So as you go out, you get this, which as you might have noticed, I've already taken out. It's like a plug that goes in there. We'll see. This is the primary device. I'm guessing this is the Pocket 3. You can literally see it. It's probably smaller than the size of my hand, literally the size of my palm. And there's a case, and we'll talk about a little bit of accessories. I'm gonna put this here and then see what else is there in the box. There's a bunch of kuch pustak hai. Nothing big. There's a video editing app which is Lightcut, which I'm gonna download and give a review about in the next. I'm trying to do more of these tech videos. Then DJI also has, I don't know what this is. This looks like a cleaning cloth to me, or maybe it's stickers. I don't know. Looks like stickers. I have actually not seen a. Oh, looks like a a lot of stickers. There's like, wow, I don't know why or what is the whole point of this. So maybe some of them are for gimbal. It's like a huge list of stickers. I have no idea why DJI gives it, but cool. I have a bunch of DJI products. I'm gonna put it. So I have a mic. You should be able to see that right here. This is one, and then this is the another one, and the recorder is literally plugged in. And then there's just a lot of papers. I'm gonna put that back in and then check what else do I have in this box, which is like a, I don't know, like a small mini box. And then this box has a bunch of things. I think hook, or I don't know what's this called, like a lanyard. So it's basically a something that you can use to hold it in your hand, which is kind of nice. Uh, I always try to have something like this so that you can tie it to your hand and it doesn't fall. These devices are very small. So good addition. I'm gonna put this here. What else is there? Okay, there's a type C to type C cable. I have almost like, I don't know, 10, 20 of these now. So I don't need any more type C cables, and that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna do now is just take this out from the kit and see how it is. Okay, it comes out with little, almost no friction, and I'll try to, this is the size. It's much smaller now. So the case actually was making it look bigger. It's literally smaller than the hand. So I'm gonna peel this. Okay, I should probably do this here. Okay, it's a glass which you need to tilt. So the way this operates is like this. So you turn it off and it starts literally. So it has already started and it's already, I don't know, in a mode of looking at me. It does have a little bit of configurations that it's trying to go through. I'll probably try to show it here. Now what I'm gonna do is put a memory card in there. Gimbal endpoints reached. Okay, swipe to skip, 5 times remaining. Yeah, so it requires a little bit of setup. Basically, it's already in a mode of recording. I think it's already showing me there as a camera, so it's quite effective there. But I don't have any memory card configured to it. I have bought in a memory card, so I'm literally going to plug it in. Yeah, there's a click to the memory card, so the green button is on, and It says gimbal endpoints reach, swipe from left to enter playback, no files on an SD card, confirm. And I think it's literally in a recording mode, so I can see this, and probably she made this. All right, so yeah, it just powers down by changing it, and there's a little bit of click happening. I don't know why, but it's very sturdy, locked into place. So quite neat, quite nice. I'm gonna do a little bit of regular stuff. So make this is very small to actually hold. So it's always good to plug this in, which has kind of a thread at the base, and Type C this side. And this kind of has a lock mechanism as well. So it just opens it up if this is, I know this is visible or not. I'll try this sport. So it opens like this if you notice on the sides. And what I have to do is just peel this off as well. Okay, great. A lot of peeling stuff happening here. And yeah, it clicks into place. So it will not take itself out, and you can press and take it out. But I guess I would want to always leave it there. The only problem is you can't, put it in the case with that. It just makes it outside, which is weird. They should have made the case a little longer. But again, I'm anyway looking forward to buying a separate case. So yeah, this is the device now. It makes a little more, holdable. It's quite good in the hand, like a grip. You can just turn it and it literally starts. And yeah, what I'm gonna do is now start to test it out and give it for a spin. The next video is going to be about how I have shot a bunch of those videos. So the next series, the videos that you see on my channel are going to be recorded on this. Point one. Point two, I'm also gonna do a little bit of accessories. I have not ordered the creator combo, by the way. A lot of people want to. If you don't have a external mic, you should definitely. But since I already had the DJI mic 2, and this literally pairs with it naturally, so I did not need it. But this place has a bunch of slots inside for putting like a wide angle lens and pro mist filter. I'm missing out on that, but I'm okay. I'm not super worried on wide angle lens. I anyway do shots pretty close to me, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is the device. Looks pretty good. Swipe to escape, etc., etc., and that's it. That's pretty much about the unboxing. So if you have liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Just very raw shoots, and I'm gonna see how this works, how this device works, and yeah, see you in next video. Bye bye.